Welcome to Science Tree channel, and here we go with science secrets. Washing your hands can protect you and your loved ones. Respiratory viruses like coronavirus spreads through nose, throat, and most often this happens through your hands. So please regularly wash your hands. And here the question arises, why it's necessary to wash hands for at least 20 seconds to kill coronavirus. Before going into the topic, you should know that please regularly wash your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, because by our hands we touch many surfaces, and by these surfaces we can pick viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose or mouth, and from these parts it can enter your body. So that's why we should wash our hands regularly. And now I will tell you that why it's necessary to wash your hands at least for 20 seconds. Coronavirus is a large family of viruses, and it can cause many types of illness, like from a common cold to severe respiratory syndrome. Like all other viruses, coronavirus is made up of protein, RNA and fatty acids. And here comes the point that how soap destroys or demolish the layers of fatty acids and protein around the virus, which gonna be helpful in killing the virus. We wash our hands with soap. Soap has hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Now here, what are the meanings of hydrophilic and hydrophobic? Hydrophilic means water loving, and that is the head portion of the soap. And hydrophobic means that water hating. So that will be the tail portion of soap. Now, the hydrophobic tail portion, can we say it lipophilic portion, as it is lipid loving, and that's why it gonna attack on the fatty acids of viruses. So that's why when we used to wash our hands with soap, these lipophilic portions of soap attacks on the walls of fatty acids of coronavirus and demolish them. Blinking portion is protein and fatty acids are present all around it. Now, when soap particles attack on them, these blue circles are representing soap particles. And we all know that soap solutions contain lipophilic ants. Now here the question arises that which type of a soap is best to kill coronavirus? So never worry about it. Any type of ordinary soap has lipophilic end and it can kill virus, but you have to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds, because the bonding of fatty acids in virus at least requires 20 seconds to break. And when this layer breaks down, what gonna be happened? Coronavirus will demolish. So in this way, we have to wash our hands for 20 seconds so that the layer of fatty acids around the virus, which is protecting it, will demolish, and this will cause rupturing the virus and killing it. It's a simple fact that greasy hands requires more time for washing than simple dirty hands. So in the same way, the fatty acid layer around the virus at least requires 20 seconds to demolish. A question which we used to ponder most of the time is that, can we use hand sanitizer to clean hands? Yes, we can use hand sanitizer because coronavirus is spreading rapidly and we used to wash our hands frequently. So when soap and water is not available, we can go with hand sanitizers. But if you are using hand sanitizer as a hand washing alternative, it's important to use the right kind. The right kind of hand sanitizer contain 60 to 95% alcohol according to CDC. And what is CDC? It is Center of Disease Control and Prevention. So according to them, a right sanitizer contains 60 to 95% alcohol in it. This amount of alcohol can kill coronavirus. Otherwise, it can reduce the growth of germs instead of killing it. And we all know that we don't want to reduce these germs. We just want to kill them so that all the world will come back to the proper place. For this reason, we have to wash our hands regularly and frequently. And also, we have to use proper hand sanitizers. We all want to move out of this pandemic as we want to come back to our daily routines. I hope this video is helpful for you in understanding that why it's necessary to wash hands for at least 20 seconds and how hands become a source of spreading virus. I will be grateful if you like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. For more videos, keep watching.